What's up, what's up, what's up? This is Crypto Trader coming at you with a little, what is today? It's January. This is a live stream. It's a technical analysis of Bitcoin's price. loopX sold out. Look in the description below for the this right here, final round BitAI. Look in the description below for the link here. Coins are $1.05 right now, getting at $1. They're set to hit the exchange at about $20 to $30 in February. So time is now to get in so you can times your money by 20 times. And CHRYSOS is round phase 3 just started. I got the information down below. Just wanted to hit that off with you guys. It's $1.25. CHRYSOS is great. They're gonna do like BitConnect. All of these platforms are like BitConnect. They got their own little algo trading bots. You can get in first. They mine coins, so you know it's a real project. These are real projects. I did lose money in one called KNOX coin. A lot of people did. They were knocking people off. They just lied about a lot of stuff. They didn't even have a coin. They didn't have anything really, to tell you the truth. CHRYSOS, these three platforms have been around for a while, excepting they're already like in their third rounds and stuff like that. So I expect these guys to perform just like Dabber coin. Dabber coin is probably like at $100 a coin right now. So what happens is you get in for $1.25, then they'll hit the exchange. CHRYSOS is hitting the exchange late January this month, and they're expected to start the coins price at like $14. So still good time to get in. You got 3 days, and that's all I'm gonna say. Use the link below, and then we'll talk about this at a later time. Okay, here's the Bitcoin's price right here. I'm sorry, I was doing a little programming. Let me get this off the screen. What we got going on here is what I showed you guys yesterday in my TA, but my TA was bunched inside of a coin call out video that I do. Subscribe to my channel if you want to get some information for some great picks that I find out there in the market with low coin caps. I'm sorry. low coin supply, maximum supplies. Some of these coins won't realize their maximum coin supply for like 14 years. So I look at the coin supply. That way I can, see if they're going to go up in value. A lot like Bitcoin is only going to go up in value. There never will be any more coins. Bitcoin has 21 million coins. You probably know that. If you don't, now you know. So I kind of stay underneath 500 million coins. Did one yesterday with like 90 billion coin count. You see what's happening with Tron and what's happening with Ripple, right? Okay, so just understand these coins can't go past $2-3, okay, without $1 trillion entering into their market cap. Now with Bitcoin, I drew a technical line here the other day, whatever. I don't know when I drew it. I drew it a while ago. Here's the fat line right here. It's bouncing off of it, or is it? Did it break below it? Well, here's the support and resistance line right here. So it broke below this trend line. If it even tries to follow this trend line, everything's not perfect. It's not perfect rocket math science, but this is price action. These are human emotions, buying and selling, right? This is what this chart signifies. People want to make money, people scared to lose money, okay? Bulls and bears, okay? Yeah, I should show you a good graphic example of what that looks like. But this is the best graphic example that I can give you, is the actual chart, okay, of what that looks like. And this is bullish going up, green, and this is bearish and fearful coming down, okay? And it just really looks like this, to tell you the truth. All right, so these are the bears. They don't look too scary, right? And the bulls, you know. All right, so one overtakes the other. Okay, so that's how we do that. All right. 1 second, please. I have an urgent matter. I gotta pause it. Mute. Okay, here we go. So I sold my Bitcoin at this line. When it goes below this line, I buy my Bitcoin when it goes above this line. Okay, that's just what I'm doing. Even over here, if it goes below the line over here, I'm selling. If it comes back above it, I'm buying. Okay, so anything below, if it breaks below this, this is a support line I drew too right here. Let me blow this up. This is kind of small looking, so let me make this larger. So you can see here's a support line that I drew yesterday. Now, it's good to understand what's happening right now in the market because it's under the 200 period moving average, which a lot of traders live and die by. Okay, I'm talking about professional, experienced traders. And that's this red line that you see me pointing at right here. It's a moving average of the last 200 periods or bars. This is a 4-hour chart. Now, I have it set up in TradingView to alert me when this purple line, which is a 20 period moving average, falls below it. So or if it crosses above it or it crosses below it. It has crossed below it, okay? But as you can see, I'm not going to tell you what these lines are right here because that's my special, these are my special ones right here that actually alert me earlier than everything else. But these are simple moving averages right here. So we're going up and it's getting ready to alert us. Okay, we're headed back up. So if I put my, what are these called? My drawing tools back on, okay? What you see is it's gotten pretty close. It did not break the support line right here. It has broken trend, but it's kind of like staying within that trend. So I wouldn't say it's a perfect science, but the fact that it closed below it is something you want to look at. All right, because it can come back down below and crack this resistance. So right now we're going to be selling all the rallies. After this rally, to where? Where would this rally up to? To this blue line, rally back down and then crash this line. If it cracks this support, I would be worried. This support is at 13,423, okay? Write that down, 13,423. You definitely want to get out of and get into cash. How do you get into cash? Well, you go to your thing right here and you sell your Bitcoin for cash like this, a market sale. Boom, and you get like your cash right here. If you're in Coinbase, 15 minutes, I wouldn't worry right now. We're headed right back up. Okay, let's go look at the hourly. Look, we're headed back up. So I wouldn't worry about it now. Don't worry about this right here or this right here. This is just like, you know, bulls and bears sizing each other up. So one of them could start running. Like this will start running sometimes from these. Even this could be flat as hell. No, you won't see no bars. Then all of a sudden this will disappear and this will turn hella green. And the chart, all of the trade history will turn green on your, and you would have been like, oh no, I sold it. Because you could sell it because you see all this big ass red. You see a bunch of red right here, and you'll be like, oh, I gotta sell. There's so many people about to sell. And you put a sell order in. Next minute, it could be the very next minute, this thing will turn green, and all you will see is the trade history turning green, which is the most important thing to look at, is this trade history. You see how it's turning green, but you see so many bears right here, but look how green it is. That's what you got to monitor. Don't monitor this stuff right here. Monitor the trade history. If you see a flush of red just every single second, it's over. We're going down. All right, and ain't nothing you can do about it. You're too late. Looking at this just is kind of helpful, but like I said, this is a puffy frog. Okay, this thing is, it could be a puffy frog. You don't really know what's in there, and if anything else, there's nothing behind it. So that'll let you know if we buy all 100 of those, the price will move all the way up to the next one, which we don't have. And these are in seconds, so I mean these are in cents. Like I don't like. Here's a tip: click this a couple of times and get the denominations to go by 10. Like right, this is by 5s and this is by 10 right here. Aggregation. I'm sorry. So every 10, you can see where the buyers are and where the sellers are, and it'll make this chart look a little bit better and give you a better view of what's really happening up into the you know, right here, 14.6. All right, that's a little tip right there. Okay, and like I said, I was going to go live if I do my technical analysis, which is what I just did. I'm trying to see if this this one goes off. I'm still working on the trading bot. Kind of tweaking a lot of different things right now. Yeah, so Bitcoin definitely watch this line right here at $13,423. Okay, if it falls on Coin, and I'm talking about Coinbase's chart. Okay, Coinbase's price, not no one else's price. You probably are going. We're probably going to head down to the next support zone, which is down here at 11,700. Okay, so be prepared to buy at 11,800 if we break this. Who knows how long it will take to hit these? But these zones always get hit. We never know how long it will take, though. Okay, we never know. And I didn't think we were going to hit this zone when I drew this yesterday. Okay. When did I draw this? I don't know if it was yesterday or the day before, but we were hitting this. We hit this. I drew this yesterday. When we were headed back up, I was like, yeah, we can probably head back above this line. Probably not. So I was like, yeah, sell. Be prepared to sell. Okay. And then I sold right here. Bitcoin was going up. I sold my Bitcoin for I was promoting Start Coin at first. Then what happened was this would happen. Start Coin was like up here somewhere, and it's been coming down ever since. It's probably a good time to buy Start Coin, but then I was like, oh, I got something thrown on my desk yesterday, and I ended up getting into that, and I'll show you what I ended up getting real quick, just for the channel's sake. I went and got a Blue Trade account, and I got about 31,000 HTMLs. Okay, right here, I can sell those right now. It's all the way down to 14. These are, to me, these are buys. Anything below where I bought is a buy. Just remember that. I don't know, I've never been wrong about that, because I'm not selling until we head up to like 4 cent, 50 cent. Okay, 4 cent will be 12 times your money. Who's selling right now? Let's go look at it. On a day chart, we haven't gotten back down here, so maybe I entered early. I always enter early because I'm making videos, but to me this is a low, cheap, very cheap. But there's people in these trades already with 10 million of these things. You know, people are in here with almost a billion, 1, 2, 3, 1 billion right here. Okay, these, how much is that? A billion. That's about 12 Bitcoins, okay, worth. People are in these. They're trying. Well, this is a person trying to buy at some super low ass price. That's crazy. 1 Satoshi. I would buy that for 1 Satoshi too. In fact, there's people got orders right here for 1 Satoshi for this HTML coin. It hasn't even hit exchanges yet. I can guarantee you when this thing hits exchanges, I mean, this is blue trade. This is a Titan, okay? That means this is, if it's on here, that means if it's on here and it's not anywhere else, it only has upside potential. That's what a Titan is, okay, in our industry. All right, and look at the links below. Sign up. This is a buy. It's down. I bought at 27. Let me see my trade history. I bought at 24 and 23. Okay, I think I canceled it. I don't know how that happened, but I ended up buying some more. I don't know. It's weird. Do I got open orders? No. Okay, I was about to say. Okay, market trade history. So basically, these are showing 10s. I bought some on. Yeah, today is the 10th, isn't it? Okay. I was up late buying these things. So they only show history for like looks like a day ago. Market trade history. It doesn't show you full history. I don't know. There's probably a setting to get to that, but orders, API orders. What is this? Let's click on the orders while we're here. Orders open, canceled all. Oh, this is Bitcoin. That's why. And this is Ether. These are my Ether purchases, and this is my Bitcoin purchases. That's what's up. Okay. So I bought some at 25 Ether. I mean, you know, this stuff can get kind of mind-boggling when it doesn't automatically convert it into USD. But I pretty much got about I would say I got in at a good. I would say I got in at 23, 24ish Bitcoin. Okay, Satoshis. Okay. Don't know if there's a way to view the amount and anything else right now. Except I can tell you one thing that's relevant is in my portfolio app. After I entered this stuff in, my HTML coins are down $20. Okay, so I would buy $20 worth right now, and I'll be happy. I'm probably gonna do that. I probably will do that. I wanted Bitcoin to go up, so let's get out of here. Now you guys know a little bit about what I got going on as far as the last 2 coin call outs. I ended up. Well, let me see. This is Bitcoin's price right now. This trend line, okay, if you guys want to duplicate the trend line, you can go to my last video where I did a technical analysis, Bitcoin, my last coin call out, or you can basically start right here. Go get you a free trading view or pay for a subscription. It's gonna cost you though. And start right here on what date is that? That is November 12th ish, and then I hit this bottom of mark right here. So right here and right here. What is this? You'll see this on your chart. This is the 31st. This is the first of the year. Okay. Right here and right here. You see where the dots come up at? All right. You see that they disappear when I stop connecting. Okay. That should do it for this video. I'm gonna go look into the live chat and see if anyone asked anything. And nope, nobody's asked anything. I'll just hold tight real quick if there's something that anybody's want to ask me any questions. I'm taking. I'm gonna just hold this for a second and see if we get any live chat questions. pullback right here. Let's see what it looks like on the hourly. This was this hour right here, so it's a nice green candle for at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. This is 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and okay, this is about wraps it up. Look, we got a buy signal right here. This is the hourly, so it could be a buy and then turn into a, like right here, this was a buy signal and then it's turned right into a sell signal. But notice the green candle didn't go too far above the purple candle. We need this thing to break out, I don't know, above this line right here. So I'm gonna just say the price for us to start back heading into bullish territory would be above the 15.3 level. Okay, as you see, I'm hovering over it right now. That's the 15,337 level. Okay, if we don't head past that, we'll probably go head down, and we might bounce off of this support right here at 13.4. So we're already bouncing pretty much close to this support before it even hits that support, so those are good bullish signals. But how long will we stay above this water line right here, what I call a water line, which is resistance, and then this is not resistance, but this is support right here, and this is probably going to be like a resistance zone right here at 15.3 and 14. This might as well say 14.5. Okay, we have to stay above 13.5. I'm sorry, 13.570, and looks like we're doing that. So all right, you guys take care.